3-bed, 1-bath. Great bones, but the inside is disgusting. I mean, the carpets are soiled. It's got junk all over it. We are headed out to our newest property that we just closed on yesterday. It's in Casey, South Carolina. This area is really on the up and ups with the expansion of the University of South Carolina. A lot of these housing areas are starting to gain some good equity. So I think we're going to hold on to it and keep it for our rental portfolio. House has really nice bones. It's a nice brick ranch style house, 3-bed, 1-bath. Great bones, but the inside is disgusting. I mean, the carpets are soiled. It's got junk all over it. So we're going to get in there, tear these carpets up, clean it up a little bit, and get it rent ready. Let's go ahead and take a look. You guys ever seen a hoarder house? We're not quite there, but we're pretty close. These people were living like animals in here, literally. When I first stepped in, I didn't realize it, but my legs were crawling in a bunch of fleas. This place is infested with bugs and junk, rubble. So we're going to spend the day cleaning it out, tearing the carpet out, and trying to get in a position where we can get it rent ready. We got this nasty carpet on the floor, but you pull it up, boom, hardwood floors, baby.
Oh, those are shiny too.
They are. They look new. Canned food, anyone? Feed the homeless. Everything must go.
Doing the hard work. One of the first computers with a USB port ever made.
Everything must go. That's it. We handled almost everything in one load. Now we got to haul it off to the dump. Rusting away. We're here hauling out all this junk. Just makes you start thinking. Old Bible verse. Do not store up treasures on earth where dirt and rust will destroy. This world is fading. It's fleeting. Everything in it. And these material objects that we hold on to so tight end up in the landfill at the end of the day. So check your purpose. Think about where you're at in your life and your journey and figure out what you're truly passionate about. When you find out what that is, do that every single day.